Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about sets of rational numbers. So first off, what is a set? Well, a set of numbers, we already know a few. We have odd numbers, we have even numbers, we have prime numbers. These are a few sets that we already know about. Today we're going to be talking about rational numbers. So a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction.
Here, let me come help you one more time, just to make sure.
Right? Any number that can be written as a fraction. The number 4, we can write this as 4 over 1. So it's rational. The number 0.5, 0.5. This is actually 5 in the tenths place. So 5 tenths. And so that is rational. 0.3 repeating. 0.3333333. This can be written as 3 over 9 or 1/3. So it is a rational number. Almost every number that we've covered up until the 7th grade is a rational number, except for one, and that is pi. Pi is not rational, it's irrational. Right? So rational is a very big set of numbers. One of the smaller sets, slightly smaller than rational numbers, are integers. An integer is a number with no fractional parts. No fractional parts. So the number 4, -7, even 4 over 2. This looks like a fraction, but 4 divided by 2, 4 halves is just 2, and 2 doesn't have any fractional parts. So these are all integers. 5.1. This is not. Right, this is not an integer because that 0.1, that 1/10, is a fractional part. So that's not an integer. Our next our next group, slightly smaller, is whole numbers. We've got whole numbers. A whole number is a number with no fractional parts that is not negative. So the number 4, it's not negative. It doesn't have any fractional parts. It is a whole number. The number 0. 0 is not, it doesn't have any fractional parts, and it's not negative. It's not positive either. 0 is neither negative or positive. But since it's not negative, it's a whole number. The number 4 and 1/2. This has a fractional part, so it's not a whole number. 5.1, not a whole number because it has that fractional part. And the last group we're going to talk about today is counting numbers, and they are also sometimes called natural numbers. And it is has no fractional parts, positive. So it looks the same. The whole numbers is not negative. Counting in natural numbers is positive. So it's a lot of the same numbers. 4, 9. These are both counting natural numbers. These are numbers you would count with. 0 is the difference. 0, although it doesn't have any fractional parts, it's not positive. Remember I said 0 is not positive or negative. So 0 is not a counting number. All right, it's your turn to see if you can identify which sets numbers belong to.